Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by placing a date-time picker onto your form so users can pick dates quickly. Once placed, name it logically, DTP start or DTP date, and choose a format, short, long, time, or custom. You do this because the format controls parsing and display. Next, set min date and max date to limit input and enable show up down when you want numeric spin control for time entry. Make sure to set a sensible value default to avoid null-like behavior when the form loads. Once done with placement and basic properties, bind the date-time picker to your data layer or a view model so changes flow both ways, data bindings. Add, value, source, date property keeps things synchronized. You then handle value change to react immediately when the user picks a date and use date time. Try parse when accepting textual input to avoid exceptions. For validation, check ranges and business rules. If invalid, show a clear message. Reset to a safe default, and set focus back so the user corrects it. To finish, apply custom format when default formats don't match requirements. For example, YIMMDDHH, gives a sortable layout. You should also consider culture info when formatting or parsing because clients in different locales may interpret day and month differently. For time entry, use show up down and set show checkbox if the date can be optional. If things go wrong, first inspect your data binding order and whether you use nullable of date time. Also watch for event recursion when setting value inside value changed. Unhook, set, and rehook events to avoid loops.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.